In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace text in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first way you can do this, and the easiest way, is by basically just go into the Home tab up top, and here you want to click on Edit Text, and then from here you can basically see the new rectangles around your text, and to replace it, you can just click on whatever text is, and you can type in whatever you want instead of it. And as you can see, that's now working as new text. We've successfully replaced it. However, if you want to actually find and replace some text, like for example some specific words inside your document, that's also possible. You want to go to the Home tab, here where it says Find, click on it, and then here you want to do Find again. And as you can see, you'll be able to find things that way. So for example, let's say specific. I'm looking for some words that say specific. There we go. It's going to find it right over here, and I can go ahead and then manually replace it. However, there's also one more option. You could go to the very top right, type in find, and as you can see here, there's find and replace. So we can just go here and then look for a specific word. As you can see here, for example, specific, and then over here, oops, you could go and do to replace, and basically just type in whatever you want to replace that with. So I'm just going to do hello instead of specific, and I'm going to actually click on replace here, and there we go, it's now been replaced. So those are all the ways to actually replace text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.